Hey there, in this video we're gonna learn about conditional statement in C language, how conditional statement work and how to code. In this video we are going to start with if-else statement. If-else conditional statement are used to execute a block of code based on if true execute if statement, else false undergo through else statement. So in this video we are going to discuss about how if-else conditional statement are work in C language. So in this video over my screen here we have written the syntax. So if and this is the condition we have to imply, and here we have the statement. If the condition is true over here, so this block of statement will be executed, and else this block of statement will be executed if the condition over here is false. So let's look with an example. I'm just commenting this. So we can use if else ladder also for testing out of multiple conditions. For example, we are declaring integer whose value is equals to assigning 2, and if condition over here we took as we are making else if here. So else if is basically used to test multiple conditions. So just jump over the program. So this program is based on if else and else if statement. So what we have done is we have created a integer of x whose value is assigning to 10, and after that we have just imply a condition over here. If x is greater than 5, so this block of statement will be executed. So over from here to here, this is known as your if statement from here to, and if this statement will not work, this condition will not work, then this block of code will be executed, so which is x is equals to 5. And if this will not work, again it jump over to the else statement, which is x is smaller than 5. So what we have done is we are giving x to the value of 10. We are checking first x is greater than 5. So when we compile and run, just click on F9 for compiling and F10. So here we are just getting x is greater than 5. Why? Because here x value is equals to 10, and we have given the condition x is greater than 5. So x is not greater than 10, so over here we are getting x is greater than 5 because x is over 10 and we are getting x the value of 10, and 10 is greater than 5. So this block of code will run. After that we have to checking if we just change this value 10 to the value 5 and run it again. So what we got on the console is x is equals to 5, which means that x is the value of 5 and this is equals to 5. So this will be executed, this block of code will be executed, and if x is smaller than 5, so what we have to do is just change the value of x to a smaller value than 5. So for example, just take 2 and run this code. I'm using div C++. You can also use turbo C, but in that you have to just use the code get ch for waiting the console. Just click on F10, and what we got over here is x is smaller than 5. Why? Because in this block of code we at first assign the value x equals to 2, and if x is greater than 5, so this block is not applicable. So again we jump over to this. If x is equals to 5, which means that x is equals to 5, so 2 is not equals to 5, so this block of code will not again executed, so it will jump over to the else statement, which is x is smaller than 5. So in this way we can use if else statement. We can use the ladder if else if for testing out of multiple conditions. Hope this video will give you a clarity about what if else statement is and how we can use If you find this video helpful, hit this video like, share with your friend, and comment down below if you're having any problem.